Welcome to this tutorial. This is Teacher Raya. We're going to solve question 4 from the Maths Predicted paper for Form 4 Math exam for 2020. So this is question 4. If you haven't seen the paper, please visit my channel and look for the playlist which says predicted papers. Okay, so let's get on with this question. It's about Venn diagrams. We're told Sammy asked 50 people which drinks they like from a tea, coffee, and milk. All 50 people like at least one of the drinks. 19 people like all drinks. 16 people like tea and coffee but do not like milk. 21 people like coffee and milk. 24 people like tea and milk. 40 people like coffee. 1 person likes only milk. Sammy selects at random one of the 50 people. Work out the probability that this person likes tea. So first question, probability of the person that likes tea. Given that the person selected at random from the 50 people likes tea, find the probability that this person also likes exactly one other drink. So the best way to sort this out, then you need to draw the Venn diagram, because there are points of intersections and you need to know those before you can work out all these probabilities. So let's go ahead and do the Venn diagram. So we have 3 items here. So we have 3 circles. So that's one of the circles. That's the second. Make sure the circle cross each other, all of them. So here's another one. And then you have your rectangle as usual. So sorry, my lines are not straight. And then you need to label them. So that is tea, and this is coffee, and this is milk. And in total you have 50 people. So just make sure you write that down, because you need to check your answer as you go along, that you have the right number of people. So let's go ahead and fill in the information in. Well, all people like at least one of the drink. That means there's going to be nothing outside of these circles. And then we're told 19 people like all drinks. Okay, so they like, these 19 people, they like tea, coffee, and milk. So they go in the middle where all 3 circles intersect. And then we're told 16 people like tea and coffee. So they like tea and coffee, but they don't like milk. So if they don't like milk, they can't be in anywhere near this circle which says M. But they like both tea and coffee, so that means we're talking about this area here. So we're going to put 16 people in there. And then 21 people like coffee and milk. So 21 people like coffee and milk. We're not told they don't like tea. We're just told they like coffee and milk. That means we got already 19 here. In total, they need to be 21. That means those other people need to go up here. How many? We've got 21 people like coffee and milk. In total, we have 19 here. So 2 people are going to be here. 24 people like tea and milk. So tea, we already got 19 that like tea and milk in the middle. In total, there's 24. That means it's going to be 5 here. 40 people like coffee. Okay, so this is a circle for coffee in total there. And then we told there's going to be a total of 40. So how do we work this out? Well, we need to count how many there are here. So 16 plus 19, that will give you 35. And then you got a 2 here, so that's 37. That means the remaining people, 3 of them, they only like coffee. And then we are told 1 person likes only milk. So that person is here. Doesn't like tea, doesn't like coffee. Right, now we need to check, is this now 50? If we add everything here, will this be 50? Now, if you look at this, if you add everything else, adds up to 46. That means we're still missing 4 people to make 50. That means they only like tea, they go in there. Now, if you add all this up, we've got 50 people, which agrees with that one there. Okay, we've got our Venn diagram now sorted. We need to answer question A. So A says, work out the probability that this person likes tea. So how many people like tea? If you add all this, was 16 plus 19, this will give you 35 plus 5, 40, 44. So 44, so say people likes tea. I'm just going to write it like this. It's going to be 44 out of the total, which is 50. You can simplify this and write 22 over 25. And now for B, you're told, given that the person selected at random from the 50 people likes tea, find the probability that this person also likes exactly one other drink. So we already know this person likes tea. So we're thinking, well, we're looking at this circle only. And then from that circle, we look at and say, who else likes only one other drink? Well, that area is this area here. Because these people here, they like tea, plus that person likes coffee as well. And this person likes milk as well. We do not choose the people in the middle because they like all 3 drinks, not just exactly one other drink. Right, so that means the probability that person likes exactly one other drink is these 2. So 16 plus 50 plus 5 is 21. So probability exactly one other drink. Okay, you can write this nicely. Is equal to, so we add the 2, 21 out of everybody that likes tea is 44. So you do need to be really careful when you're given this word here. Given, it means you just ignore the other circles. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please remember to like by pressing the button on the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and bye for now.